Hi there, my name is Megan Summerall, and I am thrilled that you are here checking out information about our third annual Plan-a-Palooza. So I want to tell you a little bit about the live Plan-a-Palooza event. I want to tell you what it is and also more importantly, what it isn't. So let's start with what it isn't. This is not your typical planning workshop, all right? This is not a place where we're just going to come, we're going to talk about our dreams and goals, and we're going to start creating a 5-year vision for ourselves, but we're not going to discuss the realities of our life, all right? Because I don't want to waste your time. So let's lean into what you can expect from Plan-a-Palooza. Now, when you purchase your ticket, it includes the live 3-day workshop with me. It's 3 half days. Everything is recorded, and yes, you will get access to the replays for the remainder of the year. So you will have time to come back, rewatch, maybe you need to step away for a minute, etc. So don't worry, you're going to get access to all the replays. You also are going to get a digital copy of the 2024 Annual Planning Guide. This is over 100 pages. This is the workbook that we are going to be using as we go through our 3 days together, and it's something that you're going to be using for the remainder of 2024. All right, so already, trust me, you are getting a ton of value with this event. Now, what can you expect with our 3 days together? So as I mentioned, this is not like a theoretical dreaming type of event. Heck no. At the end of our 3 days together, what you are going to have is a realistic, appropriately detailed plan for 2024 that is going to include all the realities of your life. All right. So personal stuff, home life, work life, things that you are hoping to make progress on, knowing how to create the right types of boundaries that you may need to help you fulfill some of your dreams, goals, and desires for 2024. I like to think of it at the end as kind of our high level roadmap or blueprint for 2024. Now, here's the best part. You are also going to learn how you use this over the course of 2024 to, one, help you stay on track, and two, most importantly, know how to come back and revisit it and make any changes as life happens, which it does. So if you are tired of maybe having years where at the end of the year, you're looking back over the last 12 months and wishing that you had gotten more out of your year, then Plan-a-Palooza is exactly right for you. Trust me, you've never been to an event like this before. I can't wait to see you there.